So in this session we will be drawing one straight line using C++ and OpenCV. So first try to include libraries. So for that you write #include and then IOStream, okay, and you copy this and here paste this inside that. For OpenCV you can include core/core.hpp, okay, core/core.hpp, but OpenCV, so here you write OpenCV2 and /. Now this red will remove. Copy this one and then Ctrl V. Now you include one library HiGUI, okay, and here also you write HiGUI. Then this red symbol will go out. OpenCV2 HiGUI/HiGUI, okay, come here, Ctrl S, and then one more library we need to include, and that is imgproc or improc, I think. Let's see. Ctrl S. So not removed. G. Try this. Yes. So these are the library which we need to import. Then you can write using namespace std, okay, because we will be using cout, and using namespace cv, okay. Now it's time to write the main function. So write int main, and you can pass the argument like integer type argc, and then character double pointer for argument v. So this is the function body, right? So to draw a straight line, first make a matrix image, like type is mat and say image, okay. Then you give suppose 200, 300, xy, and then type is, you can see cv underscore 8 uc3, you can take this type. And after that color, for color type is a scalar, so write a scalar. And if you want to make black, so give it 000 and then semicolon, okay. Now if you want to see this image, so you can write image show, okay, image show, and in colon you can write this is our matrix image, so this is a platform, a matrix where we will be drawing the image, and here write image, and then this Ctrl S, save it, image show, and image is undefined. This is the image which we want to show, so here just you correct it, image. Now save this, and now try to debug, start debugging. So you can find after debugging, you can see black color image, you can say blackboard. So execution is in progress, and you can see matrix image. Now it came and it went. So to view it properly, you need to write wait key, and then semicolon, save it. Once again try to show this here. So now you will be able to observe it properly. See, matrix image. So this is the, if you want to write it blackboard, better you write it, we made an image blackboard, blackboard, Control S, and then run once again. You can see blackboard is ready. Okay, blackboard is ready to draw the straight line. So here, if you want to make it more, you can give this 500 x and 500 y. Save it and run it. So our blackboard is ready. Now we will be able to draw a straight line. This blackboard is ready. Now we have to draw a straight line on this blackboard. Okay. So let's try drawing a straight line. So for line, what is required? If you want to draw line is a method. It will take this your image, in this blackboard, you will be able to draw the line. Then a start point. Say start point is P1, we can write P1. End point is P2, we can write P2. And then we can provide color. So here we can provide color, and then thickness, and then line type also, that is optional. Here you can see red color is coming because image is defined, so it is fine. P1, P2 color thickness is not defined, so you can see red color here. Now what to do? Just define it. Point is type point, so point P1. Okay, say P1 is 0 0 0, right? P1 is 0 0, and say P2 is 500, 500. So P1 P2, now you can say color gone. P1 P2 is now only red color showing for color and thickness. So color type is a scalar, so write a scalar equals, and here you can say 255 for blue color, 255, and then semicolon. You can see this color, a scalar here, write color, color. Now this red symbol will go, color, COLOR, color. Okay, so no red. Now thickness, define thickness here, int thickness equals, suppose 3. Now thickness is also fine. Save this program and try to run this. So I am saving and running. So here you can see a straight line. So this is how we can draw a straight line by using OpenCV and C++. Hope it will help you to understand in a better way. So once again, just I want to recall, first include the libraries IOStream, OpenCV2, Core HPP, type extension, HiGUI, and image proc. Then using namespace standard, using namespace CV, create a function called main function, and then define the blackboard. This image is blackboard, and define point, color, thickness, and use line method, image show, to show that. Hope it will help you to understand in a better way. Thank you for watching.